Hello, I'm Shivani. Welcome to my channel. Today, I've got some assertion and reasoning type questions for you all. ये एक quick revision of the lesson भी है. It'll help you to do the other questions as well. So here we go. Assertion means a confident statement of fact or belief. जब आप किसी बात को दावे के साथ कहते हैं. Reasoning supports the assertion by providing a logical explanation to the assertion. अपने दावे को आप रीज़न या कारण द्वारा प्रमाणित करते हैं. Remember, these are going to be extract based questions. जो extract दिया जाएगा उसी से ये questions होंगे. I am not providing you any extract since the questions are from the entire lesson. आप अपने सामने बुक खुली रखें and refer to the lesson simultaneously. It will give you a better understanding. Now, question number 1. Assertion. William Douglas developed an aversion for water after a near drowning experience in his childhood. Aversion means to dislike या पसंद ना करना. Now, reason. He was pushed into the pool by a bully and he panicked under water. First option. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Second option, both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Third, A is true, but R is false. Fourth, A is false, but R is true. Option number 2 is correct because Douglas developed an aversion for water when he was about 3 or 4 years old and was knocked down by waves at the beach in California. However, he developed a fear of water when he was pushed into the pool by a bully. विलियम डगलस जब 3 या 4 साल के थे तो वो कैलिफोर्निया के बीच में लहरों के चपेटों से समुंदर के पानी में गिर गए थे. तब से उन्हें वाटर से अवर्जन हो गया था. दूसरी बार एक बुली ने जब उन्हें स्विमिंग पूल के अंदर धक्का मारा तब से वो पानी से डरने लगे थे. सो यू सी रीजन डजंट करेक्टली explain assertion. Now we come to question number 2. Assertion. The experience of drowning at the YMCA pool left a deep psychological scar on Douglas's mind. Reason. Douglas felt that death was a peaceful and calming experience. So which option is correct? Option number 2 is correct. While Douglas did experience a sense of calmness when drowning, but after coming out of it, the trauma and fear of death left a psychological scar on his mind. हालांकि दोनों स्टेटमेंट्स अपने में ठीक हैं, पर रीज़न असर्शन को एक्सप्लेन नहीं करता है. The reason doesn't explain assertion. डूबते वक्त डगलस को शांति महसूस ज़रूर हुई, पर बच के निकलने के बाद इस हादसे ने उनके दिमाग पर एक साइकोलॉजिकल घाव छोड़ दिया था. Question number 3. Douglas never went to the pool again. Reason. He was scared of the bully. He thought the boy would push him into the pool again. Now, option number 2 is correct. Douglas never went back to the pool because he was scared of water, not because he thought the bully would push him into the water, but he now feared water. The assertion is correct, but the reason doesn't explain the assertion correctly. डगलस फिर कभी स्विमिंग नहीं गए क्योंकि अब उन्हें पानी से डर लगने लगा था. बुली से नहीं, पर पानी से डर लगने लगा था. Question number 4. Douglas again picked up swimming despite his fear of water. Reason. He was determined to overcome his deep fear of water as it restricted his ability to enjoy life fully. Option 1 is correct. Douglas did not want to live with fear of water. He could not enjoy activities like fishing, canoeing, swimming, etc. डगलस पानी के डर से निकलना चाहते थे और एक्टिविटीज़ जैसे फिशिंग, कैनोइंग, स्विमिंग को एंजॉय करना चाहते थे. दैट इज़ वाई ही पिक्ड अप स्विमिंग डिस्पाइट हिज फियर ऑफ वाटर. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Assertion. Douglas could very easily overcome his fear of water. Reason: he hired an instructor who taught him the techniques of swimming. Option 4 is correct. Douglas could not overcome his fear of water. Therefore, he hired an instructor who could give him systematic training to build his confidence. डगलस पानी के डर से बाहर नहीं आ पा रहे थे, तभी उन्होंने इंस्ट्रक्टर को हायर किया जो उन्हें प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग दे सके और उनमें आत्मविश्वास डाल सके. सो यू सी, assertion is not correct, whereas reason is correct. Now, question number 6. Assertion: the swimming instructor used a belt attached to a pulley to help Douglas learn swimming. Reason: the belt was to ensure Douglas's safety during his lesson. Option 1 is correct. The belt and pulley system used by the instructor was to provide safety and help Douglas to pay attention to his swimming lessons completely. इंस्ट्रक्टर ने बेल्ट और पुली सिस्टम डगलस की सेफ्टी के लिए यूज़ किया, जिसके कारण डगलस अपना पूरा ध्यान पूरी तरह स्विमिंग की तरफ लगा सकते थे. इससे उन्हें डूबने का खतरा नहीं था. नाउ वी कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. Assertion: the instructor taught Douglas swimming stroke by stroke. Reason: the instructor wanted to make Douglas a champion swimmer. Option 3 is correct. The instructor did not want to make him a champion swimmer, but he wanted to build his confidence progressively. इंस्ट्रक्टर डगलस को चैम्पियन स्विमर नहीं बनाना चाहते थे, बल्कि वो उनका धीरे धीरे आत्मविश्वास बढ़ाना चाहते थे. The assertion is correct, but reason is wrong. Now we come to question number 8. Assertion: for several months, Douglas practiced swimming under his instructor's guidance. Reason: it was crucial to build his confidence and to learn the techniques of swimming. Option 1 is correct. Regular practice helped him to learn the swimming techniques and to build his confidence. रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस करने से डगलस ने स्विमिंग के टेक्निक सीखे और अपना आत्मविश्वास बढ़ाया. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. Assertion: Douglas was completely cured of fear of water after his training under his instructor. Reason: he still felt the need to test himself further after completing his training session. Option 4 is correct. Assertion is false because Douglas was not completely cured of his fear of water. He felt the need to test himself in different water bodies to conquer his phobia completely. स्विमिंग की ट्रेनिंग के बाद भी डगलस का डर पूरी तरह ख़त्म नहीं हुआ. उन्होंने अपने डर को पूरी तरह जीतने के लिए अलग अलग वाटर बॉडीज़ में तैरने की कोशिश की और सफल हुए. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Douglas's struggle to overcome his fear became a life-changing experience. Reason: from the chapter we learn that fear is just a physical sensation that one can easily ignore. Option 3 is correct. The chapter emphasizes that fear is not just a physical sensation but also a mental and emotional construct. It needs to be overcome through perseverance. So, assertion is correct but reason is not correct. चैप्टर में डर को सिर्फ एक फिजिकल अनुभूति ही नहीं कहा गया है, बल्कि मानसिक और भावनाओं से बनी सोच कहा गया है, जिसे धैर्य और लगन से जीतना है. This brings to the end of the video. Keep practicing. Take care. Bye-bye.